What's going on, all my favorite people in Japan? Are you doing well? I hope so, I hope so. Is it so nice today? Such a rainy day? What a rainy day. Oh, how nice it is today. What's different? What's different in those? Let's look here. So, such, what, how. So how do we use these for emphasizing, 強めるの話, right? To make your speech a little stronger, right? We want to emphasize these words. この言葉を強めたいね. Alright, but we do have a rule for it. 本当に, right? 文法ある. So first one we have, it's so stinky. It's so stinky. Right? 超臭いね. とても臭い. But it's so stinky. Soだけは we talked about before in one of our other videos, right? Very much more than, right? とてもじゃない。とてもすぎる kind of 感じ, right? It's so stinky. Durian is durian. I don't know, but it's stinky. Durian is such a stinky fruit. Such a stinky fruit. So stinky. Such a stinky fruit. What's different? Here we have only the adjective. 形容詞だけある. Okay? So stinky, so stinky. Such a stinky fruit. これは名詞ある. Okay? 形容詞と名詞あったら such 言った方がいい. Alright? So stinky fruit. ダメ. Right? He's so handsome guy. ダメ. No meaning. 意味がありませんね. So 文法ある. 形容詞だけは so. Right? But again, too much. Okay? やりすぎると. Durian is such a stinky fruit. It's such a hot day. He's such a nice guy. Okay? He's so nice guy. No, you can't say, okay? So be careful with these. これは間違いやすい. Alright? Alright, another way to emphasize your speech. What a handsome teacher. What a handsome teacher. This guy? I hope so. I hope you think so. Right? Thank you so much. Nah, probably. What a crazy teacher. What an ugly teacher. What a crazy, ugly guy. What a. Again, 形容詞と名詞あったら、このあはちょっと大事ね、この漢字ね。So, what a handsome teacher. Such a stinky fruit. これは質問ではない。ではありませんね。What a handsome teacher. Wow, すごいね。What a nice day. Very much emphasized. 強める, right? What a nice day. What delicious food. What a beautiful girl she is. Okay? So what a, again, be careful. It's really, really strong. Okay? 本当にちょっと強い. So 普通は使いませんね。本当にすごいの時だけ. Right? You just want to say like, what a nice pen. It's a little strange, right? So, but what an amazing woman. Okay? What a great party it was. Something like that. How? これも how handsome. How handsome. And again, this is probably just something you say quickly. How nice. いいね. How wonderful. How great. 小さい形容詞は使えない. How good. How good. 言わないね. Big adjective. 大きい形容詞使った方がいい. How amazing. Right? Something like that. But yeah, how okay, well, would have zero meaning, right? How nice, how wonderful. Even, the negative words. How terrible. Oh, man, I'm sorry. How terrible. How sad. That would be okay. But again, 形容詞だけは、もちろん漢字あはいりませんね. So how handsome. Same meaning, but, right, how 形容詞だけ, what 形容詞と名詞いりますね. Alright, so this will help you emphasize your speech to make your adjectives stronger in that way. If you check the link in the box, in the comments below, or not, sorry, comments, check the link in the box. I'll have a worksheet there for you to practice how, such, so, and what, okay? If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.